Kamusta kayo na lahat? So, ito ka na kami. So, ito. Yan tayo. Okay, so, ito siya. So, wait. One more. So, class, so, ito, that's my drawing. So, ilan na yung piso ko? So, 25 pesos. Ilan yung car ni Team J na binigyan ng yung Hot Wheels sa kanya? Okay. So, i-multiply mo siya si 25 pesos times 4. Times 4. So, for example, let me write. So, 25 times 4 is 100. Kasi 100 yung piso niyang laruan ng toys ni Team J. Tapos, binarayan yung bin, binayad or binagbili kami ni yung isa kay Team J, yung toys. So, so, binigyan daw siya sa customer sa money kasi I have a bill. Oh, I have bill. It cost 100 pesos each of a bill. Tapos, next question. So, class. So, so, ilan yung pambili ng toys ni Ban? 7,500. 75, dalawang siyang zero. Okay, i-times mo siya si 3 plus, so, 2500 times 3, 15, 7. 2,500 times 3 equals 7,500. So, 4 plus N, 14. Kasi, 14 over 40, add mo siya si 4, kasi, you will have slash, tanggal mo si slash, tapos, magiging siyang 144 pesos. Kasi, 41 plus 10 is ganito, wait lang. 41 plus 10. Plus 10 is 51. 51 times, yes. Hindi kasi pwede. Ito, 14. So, i-add mo si slash, tapos, slash. Tanggal mo si slash at si 0. Tapos, and mo. So, it's 144 pesos yung toy na bili yung Hot Wheels ni Rod. Ni Rod. Eh, ni Rod. Ni Rod. Kasi binilihan kami ng Hot Wheels. Ito kay Rod. Tapos, bili kami. Tapos, may pera kami. So, you have money for the customer if you have to sell the toys. Okay? Because it's the part of the discussion. So, it cost $144 or 144 pesos. I mean, for the bill, if you want to be a 44, 40, so i-minus mo siya sa 144 minus 100. So, class? So, for example, 100 is minus to 144. Negative siya. So, it's 44. Or kundi 11 times 2 to 4. 11 times 4 is equal to 40 for kung kapag 25% of the sales, you can you can ask the customer if you want to pay 25 cents. Okay? That's all for today, and see you again next time.